Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. In today's video we will be taking a look at some of the key statistics of Injective protocol and we'll do some price analysis, have a look at some potential areas to buy in and some potential areas to target if you're looking to take profit. First up, please make sure that you do hit that like button, you are subscribed to my channel, and let's crack on. Injective protocol, which is ticker INJ, is currently ranked 128 out of all cryptocurrencies that we have listed on CoinMarketCap. We have a token price today of $4.43. It is worth noting that it is an Ethereum contract, so it is an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain. We have a total supply of 100 million INJ, and in current circulation we have 14.9 million, so you could call that around 15% of the entire supply is in circulation. We're getting a 24-hour volume of $43.3 million, and the market cap today is $65.5 million. If you're looking to get hold of some Injective protocol, then you can pretty much find it in a fair few places. It is on Binance, so we're getting a fair whack of the volume there. You're talking 35% against USDT, we're getting over 13-14% against BTC, and some against BUSD. So it is on Binance. Most people do use Binance. If not, then you can get on Uniswap. Pretty much anyone can use Uniswap. If you have any problems with Uniswap, then just give me a shout in my Telegram group and I'll give you an on how to use it. Also on PancakeSwap, WazirX, Upbit, Gate.io, quite a few exchanges. So if you're looking to get hold of it, it is fairly easy. Scrolling down, the all-time highs was $5.26, and that was on the 23rd of December. So that's what date are we on now? 27, so that's 4 days ago, so it wasn't too far away from all-time highs. So that's our key stats. Jump over to TradingView now and do some technical analysis. We do not have a ton of data. It is a fairly new listing. This is a Binance chart. It is getting pretty much all the volume, so I will use this chart. We've got data up to the 21st of October. What I usually start off by doing is starting in the monthly time frame, marking some key levels of support and resistance weekly and then daily, but we're just not quite got them levels yet, so I'm going to pretty much go from the daily potentially down to 4 hours, but we'll see what we can get. So let's have a look first. I just want to mark up the all-time highs, and that will give us some good areas to target. We're very close to that, not a million miles off. So that's the all-time highs there, $5.33. We'll just mark it up. And that will give us, like I say, a good area to target in the future, potentially in the next few days, looking at how the market's going. So let's just work his way from top to bottom and just see if we can get a few areas of support and resistance and see if we've got any potential buy zones. Really what I'm looking for is 2 wicks that touch at the same time, which to me confirms that is a valid level of support and resistance. So you could say there's one there. If you look at this wick, we rejected off that and we rejected off it there. So to me, that confirms that as a daily level of support at current prices. I'll just move a little bit further down and see if we can get anything, just in case the market does drop. I mean, the chances are there. We just need to be aware. We've got another level there. I'm not going to go too far down. Potentially one more in this time frame. What we're currently sitting at now, we're at $4.39. So I mean, that's a long way down to $3.33. But we'll just mark up one more if we've got it, and there. That will be the potential bottom. So if you look at that, we actually have support there and support there. So that's 3 levels in the daily time frame. What I want to do is first up just have a look at some potential areas to buy in. And whenever I'm using whenever I'm looking to buy in, I use a Fibonacci, and I usually look at the beginning of a move or up to the top of a move. You could say this is the beginning of a move because we came up to here, we retraced a little bit, not much, but then we've popped back up. So let's just have a look at a potential area to buy in, just in case the market does turn a little bit sour. And we'll take a fib from this level here up to those all-time highs. They're at $5.36. So if you're looking to buy in, personally, if I'm ever investing in a project that's done quite a substantial rise, I look at targeting the 618 level, which is at $3.70. So we'll just mark that area up there because potentially we could come down there. I mean, we've been very close with this wick and that wick. So where are we now? We're at $4.33. If we just look at a percentage raise from current prices down to that box, so it's from there down to about 618. It's a 15% drop. I mean, it's not a massive move, so potentially that it could go down there. So that is a potential buy zone. Let's get rid of that fib so it don't look too messy, and that's what we'll potentially have some orders in place, just in case the market just turns sour. But I just want to have a look at this, the next key levels really. If you look at this here, we'll just put a trend line on. We've got a bit of a triangle here, and this could pretty much break out at any point, in my opinion. Take it from that move there up to there. So it's looking like we're heading into what we could see a potential break up or a breakdown. If we get towards this line and we start breaking down towards this area, I do think that we could potentially fill some orders in down at these levels. We also have a daily support of $3.38. So just be wary of that. We could break up out of this, but we could also break down. So I don't hold any Injective protocol at the minute, and I'm looking to buy a little bag to use as an accumulation bag. So I'm looking to buy and sell at support and resistance level. So I'm going to have some orders in down here around $3.60. The potential is we could wick down there because we are not a million miles off it at current prices from $4.30. We do know that with these new listings, they are quite volatile because a lot of people who've got in early tend to sell on spikes. So, I mean, you could call this a spike compared to what we've been down here. I mean, when we're listed at 18 cents and now we've been up to $5.33. So people will be taking profit. They already are from these levels. So potentially it's to come down here. But just monitor the price. If it does come into here and we lose this level, the potential is to get some orders filled at $3.39. And if we lose that, then we have a further level down at $2.68. I can't see it doing that, to be honest. The market is very, very bullish. If you just look at Bitcoin, am I right? Let's scroll right up to the top. Bitcoin's currently $27,200. That is absolutely ridiculous. Another market, well, it did hit $28,000, but it's starting to drop down a bit now, apart from Zilliqa, which has been absolutely mental. So that is some potential buy zones. What I need to do is for potential targets going forward. The first target is pretty much to close a daily candle above the all-time highs at $5.30. If we do close above that, then we have to look at pretty much Fibonacci extensions and have a look at where we could potentially go from there. So if we just drop a fib on, we'll go from the start of a move to the bottom of a move there. Then these are some next levels to target. I mean, you've got a level up at $6, pretty much on my nose, and $7. So if we just we'll mark these up areas up here, and we'll just copy that box as well, clone that. So these are the next two levels for us to target if we do break a daily candle above the all-time highs at $5.30. So that is just some entry points where you could potentially look at going forward, and then some areas we can target once we do close a daily candle above $5.30. What I will do is I will do some further analysis in the USDT pair when we do break above $6. I think we are currently at $4.39. We are not a million miles off that. I mean, there's a quicker percentage gain from current prices up to there. It's a 40% rise, you could call it. So that's nothing in cryptocurrency. Things do move quick. If I just put the EMAs on, I use a 30 and the 8. Yeah, you're probably going to see much really. I mean, yeah, they're pretty much invalid. We just don't quite have the data there yet. I'll see if the Hitman's on. No, Hitman's not working either. The Hitman usually works out when there's a shifting market momentum, but like I say, we've only got 2-3 months of data now. So I think what I'm going to have to do is really do some further in-depth analysis, probably in about January, February, when we got another few months data, and we can really get into some deep technical analysis with this. But this is all we've got to play with at the minute, so I'm just going to keep this chat active, and if we do push down here, I'll drop a few tweets out and have a look at some potential other areas to invest if we do lose that level. But these are the next targets going forward. So that's going to do it for today's analysis. Please make sure you do like this video, that you are subscribed to my channel, and also make sure that you are in my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops. You will find the link in the pinned comment and in the description. So thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you next time.